Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I want to show you a tool called Plask, which allow you to animate anything directly from your web browser. So you can record how you are dancing or moving from your web browser, and the same thing will be applied to the animated characters. The same movements, as you can see, the other half here is the actual person moving. The other half that you see here is actually the um, person who is moving. You can see this one. Yeah, so first you need to record your movements. So make sure that your head, hands and legs are visible, and your motion will be extracted automatically, and the same motion will be applied to the characters. So that's how it works. So now I have taken this character and I have already recorded my motion movements. And I have applied that to this character. Now you see how that person moves. You see, I have moved like this earlier in front of the web camera. Now this is how it moves. So there are more examples I can show you from their promotional material. You can see here how the movements are getting captured. So this can be recorded with a web camera and same can be applied. So if you try to move something of this sort on your own, it will take a lot of time. But by replicating it, you can apply these effects in a few minutes rather than spending hours of effect. As you can see, this is the recorded moments. And from this, the motion is extracted. Then you just go to edit and apply that to that and you can retarget it, and that's how the moments get applied to the characters. I hope this is useful. This is a free tool. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.